Okay, one thing about the younger Somalians, cool. The women, they cool.
Okay.
But I got one problem with the older Somalian generation.
Okay.
They don't respect when we get in the cab. They say, hurry up and pay. I mean, I ain't got no problem with, the younger ones is cool as heck.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
just, and I get mad at the old ones because they don't respect us.
Oh.
And we went through hardship and everything for being over. Just the African American is fucked up. We know this. We
Yeah,
went through a
okay.
lot of shit.
Yep, yep.
We've been through a whole bunch.
Okay.
You can look all over here and see that we've been through a lot. I mean, we was in slavery. We had sex with our intermingling. I don't know how many accounts.
Okay.
It's just crazy. Just Somali. I ain't got nothing against those man. They black too. But
Okay.
what I'm saying is, have some respect for the African American because they made it possible. We made it possible.
Yep,
Because
yep,
we went
so
through all,
right.
carry all the stripes and all the heartache.
Yep.
And that's what I'm saying. It's the reason we like this. And that's it.
Alright, bro.
I mean, but it's a reason. We are the way we are.
Yeah.
And that's it.
I respect, bro. I
And
respect.
I respect. We ain't got nothing against women like that. Just respect us, And some don't. A lot don't. Hurry up and pay me in.
Alright.
In the cab and I mean, and I'm like, damn,
Alright.
damn, we all black.
Yeah.